Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest tech gear. Today, we're diving into the world of PC cases. And I'm excited to introduce you to what we believe is the best Mini ITX computer case on the market, the CORSAIR iCUE 4000X RGB. What makes the CORSAIR iCUE 4000X RGB stand out from the crowd? First up, let's talk about aesthetics. The 4000X RGB boasts stunning tempered glass side and front panels, allowing you to showcase your components and vibrant RGB lighting and style. With dedicated front ventilation channels, you not only get the visual appeal but also ample airflow to keep your system cool. But it's not just about looks. CORSAIR has thoughtfully designed this case for ease of building with their rapid route cable management system. Say goodbye to cable clutter. With 25mm of space behind the motherboard and a single channel for routing, achieving a clean and professional-looking build has never been easier. Now, let's talk about cooling. The 4000X RGB comes equipped with 3 CORSAIR 120mm AirGuide RGB fans, designed to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Plus, with support for up to 6 fans and multiple radiator sizes, including 360mm in the front and 280mm in the roof, you can unleash the full potential of your cooling setup. But what sets this case apart is the control and synchronization of RGB lighting. With the included iCUE Lighting Node Core and CORSAIR iCUE software, you have full control over the RGB lighting for up to 6 fans. Customize and synchronize your lighting effects to match your setup and create an immersive gaming experience. In conclusion, the CORSAIR iCUE 4000X RGB tempered glass mid-tower ATX PC case offers a perfect blend of style, functionality, and performance. Whether you're a PC enthusiast or a hardcore gamer, this case ticks all the boxes. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy building!